Yun. Good morning mga kalapatids. Today is September 14, Saturday. Almost 10 a.m. na today. Kailangan nating i-basket ang ibon ng 4 p.m. dahil busy sa work. So kailangan kong bumalik din mamaya ng 2 p.m. from work para ilagay sila sa training box. Then mag-stay muna sila sa shop ng hanggang 4. Then dadalhin sa Putaroro Club. So sa Putaroro pa rin ako maglo-load ngayon dahil busy nga sa sa work. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-basket ng Saturday. So yun yung aking problema every Saturday pagka nagbago yung loading date, kasi usually it's either Thursday or Friday lang ang basketing. Pag Friday, pag one nighter o one night sila mag-stay sa crate, so Friday ang loading. But pag binago nila ng one nighter tapos dahil sprint pa lang naman ngayon, maiksi pa lang yung karera, so one nighter yung stay nila sa basket, sa crate. So namumove din yung loading, instead na Friday nagiging Saturday. So yun ang nagiging problema ko ngayon, kasi mayroon kaming activity sa shop na kunyari meron kaming event na ginagawa every Saturday. So conflict. Kaya ang nangyayari, imbis na sa Hamilton ako maglo-load, sa Putaroro na. So yeah, I'll show you my birds kung ano na yung kondisyon nila ngayon. Here's my birds. They look like they're in good condition now. Yeah, hopefully they will fly well again tomorrow. So yeah, the weather tomorrow is not really that perfect for the birds, but yeah, we'll be updated how the executive will release the bird, what time. So yeah, I'll keep you posted about their liberation tomorrow. So yeah, these are my warriors for tomorrow's race. They look good. Hopefully they fly good too. Yan. So yan sila. Okay. So yon, birds already have been fed a drink. I just give them plain water for today. So I touched most of the birds this morning so I can feel how they recuperate from last week's race. So I'm satisfied on their recovery, and I will say 98% recovered yung mga ibon. And today they're gonna have whole day rest, and also yesterday. And yes, hopefully they will perform well tomorrow. We'll see about that. We'll see tomorrow's result. So that's it for today. That's all for today's video. Okay, I'll keep you posted kung tomorrow kung anong oras, what's the liberation time. Okay, bye.